Hi guys, it's me, your teacher Majesty, and welcome to my mini vlog. Hear me out as I share with you the 10 minutes work journey at Pronto Distributor Company. So what is Pronto? By the way, this is my place, a Great Wall of Divisoria. Everything is done from the preparation hanggang dito sa pagsakay ko sa Tri-C for the commute tayo. Minsan din kasi sumasakay ako kay kuya pag sinipag siya. Anyways, ayan. Uy, may tanod doon na gwapo. Medyo matagal pa yan. So, 10 to 15 minutes bago ako makapunta ng bayan. Ayun na, dito na ako. Pasakay na ako to the goods. And dito, sakay ulit ako pa-Pronto na bali 3 sakayan ako. Pero dahil matipid tayo din natin magtipid, magkalakad tayo. So, hindi ko lang ito ginagawa ngayon, but everyday. Exercise na rin, di ba?
Nice!
Ayan, go back tayo dun sa question na what is Pronto? And bakit ako tumagal sa Pronto ng 2 years, hindi naman ito yung natapos ko nung college. I-share ko lang syempre. Pronto is a distributor marketing company wherein of course, they deliver some dry and wet goods from them to the market or some stores na reachable or yung mga nasa kalsada like mart, cafes, carinderias, and others. Marami silang cover. May office sila sa Baguio, may mga sales agents sila sa La Union, and of course, dito sa Pangasinan, that located in Dagupan City. Sa tanong naman na why I chose Pronto as a first full-time work, that is because of I eagerly want to help my parents for our financial or everyday expenses, and I have my principle na kung sino yung mga tumawag na una, yun yung i-grab ko agad. Pababaan talaga ng pride. I always believe kasi the opportunity comes your way, don't hesitate to grab it. So ayun, pero sa oras at panahon na ginugol ko sa work na ito, marami na rin akong naipundar, hindi lang nga lang yung mga big goals, but at least little by little nagkaroon.
Nice!
Ayan, so dyan po yung workplace ko. Work, ayan, video na for time. Para may ma-document. Pero dahil gusto ko yung profession ko, hindi ko yung pinabayaan. When I first land to my work, I request immediately work from home and work sa office ng vice versa to take and get my ESL certificate. Ganun din nung nag-take or enroll na ako ng review center. Review from September hanggang March 2023 na. Pinagsabay ang work while nag-review.
Nice!
Also, sa dami ng ginagawa ko sa buhay, syempre, hindi pinapabayaan ng iba kong obligation and responsibilities. Ay, inaantok na tayo. I really want to recognize and appreciate myself for keep going and not for giving myself up. Ayan, alam ko rin kasi sa sarili ko na may Diyos akong andyan, lagi to guide me, my family, and my real friends. And nung pagkapasa ko noong May 19, 2023, after 2 days of passing the LET exam, naghanap ako agad ng schools to teach hanggang October na yon. Nagpahingang mag-apply, then nag-continue or nag-start ulit noong January 2024. Hindi sumuko, hindi tumigil para maghanap, pero dahil wala ng isang tawag, email, text, or nagparamdam man lang, sabi ko kay Lord lagi is, para sa akin po bang teaching, Lord? Bakit wala man lang pong gustong ipasok ako sa school nila? So I decided to continue pa my work sa Pronto and not to continue my resignation letter. And noong June 2023, nag-enroll na ako ng masters para kahit papaano malagdagan pa yung knowledge ko about sa TLE. And sayang din yung oras na tumatakbo, di ba? And thank God, tapos na and waiting na lang sa clearance and graduation. Ayan, so pauwi na rin tayo for my first day vlogging. Ayan, maglalakad ulit ako para ikwento yung other kwento ko. Okay, so dumating yung ranking sa DepEd. Ito lang 2024 and tried na magpa-rank. And I pray na sana this time makuha ako. Ito ba yun? Ako na ba to, Lord? Ganon. Or I prayed, Lord, kung ito na yung ibigay mo na sa akin. I prayed a lot, focus on that while preparing pumasok at nag-enroll sa CBD training and kumuha ng TFL or TESOL certificate. Dumating yung araw ng ranking and thank God, medyo mataas yung score and wait na lang namin yung announcement. Dumating yung araw na I decided to turn over and resign with my first job. Kasi hindi ko na rin kaya pero hindi lang din yun yung reason ko. Nasa akin na yun. Kasi may naghihintay na rin great opportunities para sustain yung needs ko and my family. I tried ESL and BPO company to apply. I'll wait kung yun pa rin yung gustong ibigay sa akin ni Lord. But look, kung ano ibinigay sa akin recently ditong August lang. So, ang binigay sa akin ni Lord is business.
Yay!
So, may business tayo na Hindi lang siya for my passion to create and to lay out, but merong bago na binigay, like bills payment, remittance, insurance, and others. So ang business na yan is the unified products and services. Pwede siya sa online and pwede rin siya sa physical kapag nagkataon na merong bumibili sa akin. I ask ulit kay Lord kung mag-work ulit ako as employee, hintayin ko ulit yun. For everything, I always ask for the Lord's guidance, not just because you have to ask something, but it's a must to be grateful for every day and forever. Doon pala sa mga araw ng paglalakad ko, kahit pa paano marami ring mga mabubuting puso para ihatid ako. Like si Sir Amansuk and yung mga madam doon sa Toronto.
Yes!
Meron ding realization sa buhay na kapag naglalakad ako is nakakapag-isip ako ng mga gusto kong gawin, need kong tapusin, gano'n. Marami akong iniisip kapag naglalakad. Marami akong iniisip na gusto kong gawin, gusto kong tapusin. And for this work, patawid na pala ako. I-make a shoutout ko si Ma'am Kim kasi grateful always kay Ma'am kasi ayun, nakita niya yung potential and passion ko to work with them.
Yes!
And sa paglalakad ko, may nakita ko magandang babae. Sino yan? Wala nyo. Ay, si Madam Ruby. Ayan, si Ma'am Ruby is one of my great friends or colleagues sa work ko kasi lagi siyang friendly siya, then lagi siyang jolly kapag andyan siya. Parang kapag for me is buo na yung araw ko kasi andyan na yung maingay, andyan na yung friendly na ka-work. And Ma'am Ruby is not plastic than anymore. Ayan, day 2 na papunta na sa work. Ayan, so work. Mga inquiries yan or queries na sinasagot ko sa work. Ayan, kapag sa work naman, kapag lunch time na or after ng lunch is may opportunity binibigay sa amin na magpahinga. So thank you, boss, dahil okay, tama ng pagpapanggap. Then pauwi na ulit dyan, shutdown ko na yung computer ko, then yes, bye, shutting down. Tagal. Ayan, pauwi na. Sorry guys first time ko mag-voice ng magwa-vlog.
Oh, no!
Pagpasensya na yung boses ko, tapos yung pag-vlog ko. Ayan, di ba? Oh, fresh.
What?
Medyo makulilim na yan. So, itutuloy ko ulit yung story ko. Social media communicator pala yung work ko sa Pronto, guys. Editor and layouting, answering queries, photographer sa mga events ng Pronto ang main work ko.
Oh my God!
I really love this job, Ren. Dito sa kumpanyang to, nakita nila yung potential, yung passion ko to share and be the asset. But of course, need talagang i-let go. Hindi lang dahil doon, but because you want to grow more professionally and for personal growth. Hindi ako forever empleyado lang.
Yes!
Ayun laging sasabi ko sa sarili ko. So thank you, Boss EOC, for the experience and great opportunity. Okay, so for some advices, know and believe God's direction and redirection. Communicate with God's plan and time for you. Another one is dream, manifest, and faith without action is dead. I really believe in that. Don't always settle for less. Save time, save money, save everything. Time is running. Do what makes you happy and what make other people to remember and inspire from you. And be kind to others, but don't forget yourself. Ayan, so dyan lagi ako naghihintay pag uwi na ng bahay. So minsan nakakasama ko si Ma'am Ruby and yan si kuya ko. Sumasakay ko sa kanya, hinintay ko siya from Mangaldan. Again guys, this is your Teacher Majesty, Princel Miranda, Sir Teng, and this is my work story. Have a great life with God.